We here at Turner's Audio Video have been in business for over a year now. We are located out of Northeast North Carolina. I currently have one employee as well as myself, but I have been in the industry for 3 to 4 years now, and we are focusing on retrofit in residential and low commercial for automation, security, surveillance, lighting, networks, all kinds of low voltage stuff. We at Turner's Audio Video have been using D-Tools for about a year now since we opened. And I actually have been using D-Tools since before I started the company, where I gained my previous experience. And even as a technician, the software was amazing, very easy to use. Our favorite features in D-Tools Cloud is the proposals and the payment processing. The proposals are very easy to get quick estimates put out for my clients. I can even do them right as I am doing the consultation. I don't have to flip through multiple sites to find prices. I don't have to search up and try and find which exact item I typically use. I can just throw it right in there and be done by the time we're done with the consultation. And the payments make it very easy to continue that on the customer, and they don't have to go through multiple websites to try and get the proposal accepted. During our onboarding process, the customer support team at D-Tools helped me very much in getting everything set up and ready to go very quickly and easily. They were able to answer all of my questions without any hesitation, and they seem to be very knowledgeable about every single part of D-Tools Cloud. D-Tools Cloud has helped with many proposals, but one in particular stands out to me. I was on site with a couple of other technicians bidding on the same project, and I was able to create the proposal on the spot, and the customer was very impressed with how clean and how quick it was, and they actually signed off right away, which may have very well won me that job. D-Tools Cloud has helped me in so many ways, the most important of those being the closing rate. I have a nearly 80 to 90% closing rate on all jobs I bid on, and I believe the reason for this is the quick, accurate, and attractive proposals that I can create. Between the quick integration with vendors, easy and attractive proposals, and the payment integration, D-Tools Cloud has helped me in so many ways, and I really recommend it to every other business owner that can.